Hello everyone, I hope we are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of live not working on the application of REDnote. We click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will scrolling down until you find this application of REDnote and you will click. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.